So you have already created your membership site in GoHighLevel but not sure how to add your lessons or course content. Don't worry, it's super simple. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add a course lesson inside the GoHighLevel membership. So you can start sharing your videos, PDF or resources with your students easily. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. And along with that, we make the GoHighLevel simple and easy for business owner. So if you are new here, subscribe this channel and check the link in the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel, the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So just grab the offer by clicking on the link from the description. Now let's get back to the video. So once you are inside the GoHighLevel, just go to the membership from your GoHighLevel left side panel. Then you can see there is an option for courses, so just move there. So once you are here, just open your product, this option from the courses. Now click on the product where you want to add the lesson. So I don't have multiple, basically I have one, so I'm just going with this. Okay, just clicking. Now for example, I want to add a new lesson here for the digital marketing. Now just simply click on this little plus icon here and just click on this add a lesson. Now let's write this a name in digital marketing and click on save. See, this is we have created earlier. Now click on this edit. Now you can change the name, you can change the category from here, you can write the description if you want. Then you can upload the image for the thumbnail of this lesson, then just attach the file. Maybe it can a PDF, a video or a image or a digital anything. So after doing all of this thing, just click on this save. So let's add a file here. So I have uploaded a file and then just click on this upload. So after just uploading this, give it a name. Okay, no, I'm just giving this as a draft, not publishing. Then just click on this save here. So that's it. Basically you have added a new lesson here. So if I show you, okay, so this is the digital marketing lesson here. So that's how basically you can add a course lesson in your GoHighLevel membership. It's very quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.